Fluent in English.
Lesson 1.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes, I am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Washington.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson 2.
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too.
Lesson 3.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Alina. What's yours?
My name is James.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 4:20 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it was 4:20 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lesson 4.
Hi, Jaren.
Hi, Milan. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Lesson 5.
Hi, Jaren, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Lesson 6.
Alina, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lesson 7.
Emma, would you like to get something to eat with me?
When?
At 10 o'clock?
10 in the morning.
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
All right, bye.
Lesson 8.
Alicia, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay. What time?
Is 9 p.m. all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5-star.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place.
Lesson 9.
Hi Alicia.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes, when?
Is 11:30 a.m. okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 11:30 a.m.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.?
Where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Lesson 10.
Alina, where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and share.